Greetings everyone, in this video I just wanted to give you all a simple base understanding of a candlestick chart. I will be making this video rather simple, but don't you worry, in later videos I will delve further into the complexities of the subject matter at hand. Now I do recognise that some of you may already have a decent level of understanding of what's going to be discussed, but for those who don't, this video will be very important. Now please enjoy. So here I am using TradingView. You can use other brokers if you are going to look at candlestick charts, but for me personally, I do like using TradingView for my analysis. On this current chart, we've got AUD USD, so that would be Australian dollar matched with the US dollar. In this, Australian dollar would be the numerating pair, whereas the US dollar will be the denominating pair. So when AUD strengthens against the dollar, this currency pair will appreciate in value, so it will continue trading higher. However, when the US dollar gains strength against the Australian dollar, this pair will depreciate in value, so it will trade lower. So currently, we can see that this pair is in an uptrend. That's due to the fact that we can see that it is making higher lows. So this low here, this low right here, and this low right here. So it's clear as day that this pair is trading higher, so the Australian dollar is strengthening at a faster rate than the US dollar is. So it's quite good. So we can see even with today's current candle, and this is the daily chart, so each candle here is representative of a single day's worth of price action. So this current candle, we can see that it's extremely strong. It's moved a lot, so that means that the dollar is very weak, whereas the Australian dollar is very strong, and that's why this candle has moved up by such a large degree. Now, many people do have concerns about understanding bullish and bearish candles. This candle, so today's candle, is a bullish candle. The candles in black are bearish candles. So if you want to understand what a bullish candle is, all it is simply is a candle that has opened and closed above its opening price. And a bearish candle would be a candle that has opened but closed beneath its opening price. So in today's example, with today's candle, let me just show you this. Give me a brief second. You can see the candle opened right here. That's about 0.676. And it closed right here at about 0.681. Now, some people may be speculating as to why I never said it closed at this point. Let me highlight that here. We'll highlight this right here. Now, if it's a bullish candle, that means the candle closed higher than its opening price. So it can't close beneath this. It has to close above it. So anywhere here, even if the candle closed right here, it will still be a bullish candle. But nonetheless, these thin segments are called wicks. All a wick is simply, in this example of a bullish candle, the highest point that price traded to, that's it. And this wick right here will be the lowest point that price traded to. That's all it is, quite simple. So the candle itself is where the majority of the price action was held. So the wicks, all they would have been is price, for example, here would have traded lower, but it didn't spend a substantial amount of time here. And inversely, with this wick up here, price never spent a substantial amount of time there either. Now, a bearish candle, let's use this candle, for example. We open right here, 0.670. We form high right here with this wick, and I'll highlight that for you all. So that's the high, that wick. Then we close down here at about 0.668, and we have another wick right here. So that's all it is really. It's quite simple. So on the right hand side of my screen, we've got price. So that's the price of this currency pair. Now at the bottom hand side of my screen, we've got the dates. That's all it is. Quite simple. That's all you need to know. In later videos, I will delve further into candlestick charts and how to trade using them. I hope you all understood and enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye, guys.